In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on a Robinhood account. Now, I'm going to be as transparent and honest with you guys as possible. This process is honestly a little bit of a headache, but in this video, I'm going to show you the best course of action. So first of all, if we go to the bottom menu of Robinhood, select on the profile icon, then go to the top right and select on these three bars, then scroll down until we see settings, and then go ahead and select on it. Then you want to press on personal information just like so. Now, unfortunately, you aren't able to just update your name like you normally would. So in that instance, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and contact Robinhood customer support. Now, I know some people may consider deleting their account and then opening up a new Robinhood account, but guys, please, I don't recommend doing that unless the Robinhood team themselves tell you to do it, because obviously it can just make everything a bit more confusing. Your social security number is already going to be tied to the Robinhood systems, and obviously that could trigger something like fraud or something like that. But guys, make sure to select on Robinhood support, then select on help center just like so. Now, you need to go ahead and explain your situation in detail, yet make sure that it is concise. Now, you always want to be as respectful as possible. Once you talk to a real human being, you need to explain to them your situation in depth, and then they will let you know the steps to proceed. Now, they're typically going to request sensitive information about you, such as your social security number, a valid ID like a driver's license or a passport, so please have that on standby because they typically ask you for that type of information to confirm that it is actually you, and so that you're able to get the best support possible. Now, unfortunately, there is no single cookie cutter solution for this issue, so guys, if you have any other ideas, experiences, or any tips, please leave them in the comment section down below so that you're able to help out other people who stumble upon this video. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.